Hey everybody, it's Adam from Tested. This is a special video of a costume walk I did last week at Comic-Con, and like my spacesuit, this year at Comic-Con, I'm not just walking in costume alone. No, I'm actually hitting the floor in a few minutes with a good friend of mine and a neophyte to Comic-Con, Mr. Alton Brown.
I'm not going as the Gamp from Pulp Fiction. I'm just telling you that right now. I'm not going to do it. Put that away. Put the cage away. We're going to have to find something else.
Okay, what if we went, we should be twins, because, you know, we've got the sort of similar glasses thing.
Oh yeah, we do.
Twins from the Matrix is what I was thinking.
The
Assassins.
The albino,
the dreadlocks.
Dreadlock assassins.
Yes. We're faking not knowing about this. We've actually been assembling this costume in 2 different cities for the last week. You've been working on...
I've been working on just various bits and pieces, including the ugliest shoes, ugliest boots you will have ever seen. It costs more to ship them than both pairs cost together.
This pair of costumes we're wearing, they're not great. In fact, they're kind of awful, but to get to awful, they're 5 times as good as the licensed costumes.
Still, hitting the correct level of awful, though, is actually rather difficult because we don't want to be awful. We want to be fantastic awful.
You're gonna love the jackets.
Well, of course, because you had somebody make them.
All right.
I would have cut them out of, trash bags, and you went out and had somebody sew the damn
good
things.
Polyester.
Polyesters, are they flammable?
Probably. Oh, they'd probably
Excellent.
turn us into like a shrinky dink in a minute.
Perfect. No smoking within 20 feet.
Shall we get started?
Let's go.
Okay.
All right.
Your wig, sir?
Ties.
Oh, those are great.
Ties.
Oh, those are gorgeous.
She sewed the bottom of the vest because they were peak vests.
Yeah,
She said
yeah.
they've got to be straight across. So okay, hold your wait for it.
Okay.
The nice thing about them, they come with shoe horns. That's the hallmark of top quality Italian plastic footwear. Oh!
Let's see. That one's yours.
Wow. Ordinarily I might iron this, but you know what? Not today. This is quality stuff. I can feel it against my skin.
Every costume is hot. This is the thing about costuming at Comic-Con. There is no costume that isn't hot. These fit absolutely perfectly. That is ideal.
This is so slinky going on.
I know.
It's kind of like, I don't, oh my God, they're gigantic. I brought a belt. I did bring, they're
Those are the before picture
How is it
pants.
yours fit?
I don't know.
Oh, it's the cops.
Hi. Oh yeah, come on. Go ahead and put it right there.
Oh, thank you.
Hi. Thanks. These ties are perfect. We're starting to look like something.
Yeah, valets.
There is one part of the licensed costume that is...
Oh, we're actually gonna wear?
We're gonna wear the sunglasses.
licensed
Yeah.
glasses? You are gonna wear contacts, right? Because otherwise I'm gonna have to be your service
No,
person.
yeah, I can't read a
Your
stop
service
sign. That's perfect. That's perfect. Let's see the jackets. Yes! Yes! Look at that! This is gonna be great.
We have to keep very straight faces, though.
Yeah.
don't we? Yes, brother. Yes, brother. Can we pass through walls and stuff now? Can we do that now?
We'll have to try. Yeah, hold on.
Shit, no, it doesn't work.
It doesn't work.
What happened? I thought these jackets were magic.
No, they're totally not.
I'm glad that the first time that I go with Adam to Comic-Con, it's when he chooses to wear a bad costume.
It's not in your eyes.
No, it isn't, and I think what's funny. So every now and then we have to just stop and turn and look at each other and then look back at somebody, right?
Well, yeah, the whole trick here is when you build a costume, you've got to build a pose.
Well, look. Let's just do this pose. That's
go.
you. You look right. I look left.
I look right.
You
Left.
Well, you're
Yeah.
You look
Okay.
left. I'm sorry, and I look
sorry.
right.
Right, there we go.
So that'll be us.
I have to say, I'm impressed given that you assembled parts of this and I assembled parts of this, that the colors matched so well. Are you ready to hit the floor?
Whatever you say, brother.
Let's do it.
Let's do kill something, brother.
Don't do that.
I do hope there's a Morpheus somewhere. So is the key to move quickly
The key is never stop.
Okay, well, and being what our characters are, walking fast would make complete sense. I think we look remarkably authentic. given, like you said, I brought the tie and the pants and the vest. You got, the coat. I mean, everything.
Veronica's going to be
works.
amazed. It really does all fit
Everything,
together.
actually. We almost don't look shitty enough.
Getting out onto the floor is often the hardest part about these costume walks because of the cameras and our team. And now Tess has been doing this long enough that everyone recognizes Will and Norma and even Joey. And we have to stay away from them.
Well, they
That's why
should
I've got a new
be
shooter.
wearing costumes.
You see Joey back there? Who's filming? Somebody nobody knows yet.
Entrance right over there.
1,000 flag.
All right. We'll practice our pose. You look left.
Sneak away.
Yep. All right, we haven't been made. You're right. Well, you have. It's made me. I thought I was Jamie. Wow.
Yeah.
We're sort of.
Brother?
Yes, brother.
You guys look fabulous. Yeah, the etiquette at a con is that you ask permission to take a photo.
Everybody has so far.
Yeah, and that is really, really cool. Did you see the Millennium Falcon?
Yeah. Where?
It's a 1/6 scale Millennium Falcon over there.
Oh crap.
The cockpit.
Oh crap. Beautiful.
Yeah.
TIE fighters next.
My favorite costumes are the ones that are so awful, but you can tell someone's just put a ton of heart into it.
Are you Adam Savage?
Yes.
Bro?
Yes.
I want to meet you. You're like one of my. Yeah.
Thank you.
I think we've been busted on Twitter.
Yeah.
Those are great.
Sorry. I don't see so well.
Can I get you guys?
Of course, Decker.
Oh, you recognize me.
No kidding? I'd know that tie anywhere. My favorite spot so far? Milli Vanilli, I love you guys. That's the best. You know, I think we should send Will. I think we should send Will and Norm out in these costumes later. And there it was. I was wrong. Alton was right. We got spotted inside of about 3 minutes out on the floor, and then repeatedly for the 40 minutes we were out there. But it was a terrific walkthrough. I love going out in not necessarily perfect costumes. And my favorite response from a fan was, "Hey, Milli Vanilli!" Gives me an idea.
So the license were actually worse than these.
So much worse.
Oh my gosh.
So much worse.
Then what were these actually made for then? What are these?
There's if you search dreadlock wigs on eBay, there's thousands of them.
And that's where you got these? eBay?
Yeah. So I think this was part of a costume line called Pastafarian.
Pastafarian.
Yeah, because the dreads look like.
Yeah, they do. We could have made this out of, I don't know, really large bucatini maybe. I don't know.